Okay, good day everyone. So for today's lesson, lesson 6, we will be learning about these composite functions. Okay, so in these composite functions, first what we have to know is about this first info. Function f maps set p to set q, which means we are having three sets of numbers. Okay, first is set p, set q, set r, and we have to understand this function f sets the set p, maps the set p onto set q. Okay, and function g maps set q to set r. Okay, and when we want to combine all these three sets and the both function together, we will tell function gf maps set p to set p to set r. It's gf, not fg. Gf. Okay, so in this gf, always remember this comes first. Okay, fx come first, then followed by g. Okay, so we have to make sure we understand this thing. Okay, so there's a question here. Okay, in this example number 2, fgx is 8x minus 3. fgx means gx first, gx comes first, this one first, and then only f. Okay, it's not actually according to the sequence, it's supposed to be g and then f, but in function notation we put fgx, which means gx first, then followed by the function f. Okay, is actually 8x minus 3. 8x minus 3. Okay, next question number 3. Okay, given fx is 2x plus 5 and gx is 3x, find fg. Okay, so we have to find fgx, and what we have to understand is g comes first and then only f. Okay, so what we can do is f, substitute gx inside f. So what is our gx? 3x. Bring this 3x and substitute at the place where x is. Okay, so you have to substitute here to the place where x is. You substitute with 3x plus 5. Okay, 2 times 3x, 6x plus 5. So your fgx is 6x plus 5. Okay, how about gfx? fx comes first, so write your gfx. Okay, now you have to substitute your fx into gx, which means this whole thing. Okay, let's erase this one first. Okay, this whole thing you have to substitute at your x place. So 3, the place you got x, you put 2x plus 5. Okay, so it will be 6x plus 15. 6x plus 15, yeah. So your gfx is 6x plus 15. It differs. fgx and gfx is different. Okay, let's try this question. Okay, so we got fx 3x minus 2 and gx is 5 over x. So we want to find fgx. How to do this? F, substitute gx in your fx. What's your gx? 5 over x. Substitute in your fx 3, 5 over x minus 2. Only the place where you can see x, substitute it. Okay, so you'll get 15 over x minus 2. Okay, this is your fgx. Okay, and next, f square. Okay, this is a bit interesting. F square means fx, 2 times fx. Okay, which means you write your f, you substitute your fx inside your fx. Okay, what's your fx? 3x minus 2. So 3, the place you got x, write 3x minus 2 minus 2. okay, which gives you 9x minus 6 minus 2, 9x minus 8. This is your f square. Okay, next g of x. Just now we found f g x. Now g of x is g. Substitute your fx in your g, which means your fx is 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2, so 5. Here you can see your x, right? So take this value, substitute here. 3x minus 2, settle. This is your g of x. Okay, and finally your f cube. Okay, how to do f cube? F cube is f(x), okay, which this one we found out already just now. What is it? 9x minus 8. So it's basically f square fx. Okay, you just take your fx, substitute in your f square. What's your f square? F square is your 9x minus 8, and your fx is 3x minus 2. So 9, the place you got x, you put 3x minus 2 minus 8. So 9 times 3x, 27x, minus 2 minus 18, 27x, minus 18, minus 8, minus 26. Okay, so this is your f cube. Okay, that's all for lesson 6. Yeah, lesson 6 we have tried this composite function. We learned about this composite function and tried to solve some questions. In lesson 7 we will do extra exercises for this composite function. Thank you.